Namaste and welcome to Apollo Hospitals. Let us take you through our discharge process. Our first objective is to restore your health and facilitate successful discharge. We start arranging for discharge a day ahead of time. This allows adequate time to prepare necessary documents that you would require during and after discharge. Several teams collaborate to ensure that the discharge process runs well and quickly. Your discharge process is initiated in writing by the treating doctor. After completing evaluation, a discharge summary including the list of medication is prepared. Team manages all pending treatments and investigations and returns unused medications. Meanwhile, the dietitian will curate a personalized diet chart and physiotherapist will assist you with the physiotherapy plan if required. Once clearance from various departments is obtained, an interim bill is created for your review. Wherever applicable, our billing team coordinates with insurance companies for final approval for cashless facilities. The final bill is generated once insurance clearance is approved either for cashless or reimbursement. Please note there may be some inadmissible amount in your bill not to be paid by insurance company which has to be settled by you. So please ensure that you have submitted all relevant documents that would help us complete the process. Patients who wish to make a direct payment may contact our IP billing department. At the time of checkout, the final bill discharge summary and investigation reports are explained and handed over to you. Our aim is to discharge you within 4 hours and we follow up with our teams closely.
Sometimes delays may happen due to unforeseen circumstances,
or delays from insurance companies, or even due to additional clinical tests that may be ordered on the last day. Our team will assist you with booking a review appointment and will also collect feedback to know about your experience. We bid you a fond farewell and wish you a speedy recovery and sustained good health day. You can book an appointment through our call center at 033 4420 2122 or using the Apollo 24/7 app. For emergency, 1066 can be called if you are in the city limits. For any inquiry, please call 033 4420 2122.